so... Bro. Oh my god. That is not the worst. Oh, what? That was with the table. No. How is that possible?
Phoenix, I have a present for you.
A coconut? No way. Yes! It's coconut, guys. Time for one-handed. Soon, ma'am gave me a coconut. So yeah, thank you.
It can be a snack.
Just fine. If you drop it, that's gonna go everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay, just leave it there. Hey. Love solving. So, Felix is gonna sign, or Jesse here has a Rubik's brand that he's giving out to as many people as possible to sign. One sticker at a time. You can do green because that's what he always has on his profile. There you go. Now Roman.
Okay.
Let's see if we can get the whole cube by the end of the day. That'd be, or by the end of the comp, I meant. Ben, I need you to sign a cube.
Sign one sticker of this. Any sticker you
I
want.
don't have a signature.
I've never signed one.
Alright, well, there you go. Oh, this is actually his. I'll show you guys how this cube looks at the end of the day. After 62 signatures, we have finished the cube. It honestly looks super cool. Thank you to everyone who participated in this. And also thanks to Jesse, somewhere over there, because this is actually his cube, but I'm just keeping it safe for the meantime while he competes. And yeah, very cool. Welcome to day 2 of Geelong Winter 2023. Currently, I'm just chilling in this kitchen area for the time being. For your part of the video,
Let's go.
The coconut that I had yesterday is currently at home. My sister is using it for some sort of food thing. And let's see what other shenanigans these people have to offer. Alright, this is a new Gigaminx. I'm gonna try and solve it under 10 minutes. Yeah, that's
Like,
is it just like a
like I literally had a scan.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
Stuff and then that was here.
I forgot. I know. Oh, we have the subject.
Oh my god!
Oh.
Well,
So
I got
close.
the 3x3 stage.
Okay. And now I'm gonna solve it.
No, I'll finish the rest. Let's jump on that. Apparently that goes to an hour. So, 10 minutes 44, almost sub 10.
Yeah.
I'll take it. Dude,
What was that?
that was an 8 mover. That was hard to execute though. That could have been
12 seconds.
Oh, I'll take that. And that's what happens when you go. Lunch with the boys. Miller left us behind at the Oi!
Miller be idiot.
Alright, let's catch up to him. We're back after some usual shenanigans. It is 1:14 p.m. finally! Yes. Alright. Oh! That's PR by 0.01. That's how we do it. Six. There's a lot of shenanigans going on in that back room all the way over there. There's a hidden room there, and you can play music through a speaker.
Nice! Oh my god.
That's how we do it.
Nice.
Oh. 32.79 average.
Great average.
That's gonna cut a cl-
6.45 average. In second place, David with the 6.77 average.
Alright, here's my podium selection. Thank you. Well done,
And in first place, winning Geelong Winter 2023, Felix Emtek with the 6.38 average.